Hey, hello investors and future investors. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tim, and on this channel, I show you how I use my portfolio in order to make weekly income. For today's video, we're going to be going into my dividend portfolio, and I will show you how I make monthly income using dividend strategies. Welcome to Investment Gain. Let's jump right into it. So welcome back investors and future investors. And like I said, in today's video, we're going to be experimenting with the dividend aspect of my portfolio. I will show you how I grew this portfolio with absolutely free money. And most importantly, I will show you how you can do the exact same thing in order to generate money. So let's go ahead to a website that I use to track my dividends, and that's going to be trackyourdividends.com. So here is the overall portfolio, but we're going to go to the current portfolio for smaller accounts. So let's go ahead and go into current portfolio. Now, this is a free website, trackyourdividend.com, that I have no affiliation with. This is not sponsored. This just makes it way easier in order for me to keep an eye on my dividend account. So let's go ahead now, and we're going to go ahead and scroll down. Now, let's start off from the top. This is perfect for small accounts because the total dividend is around $7,000 for the entire small account portfolio. I'm going to show you how I grow this account with $7,000 with using nothing but free money. Stay tuned for that. So let's go over very quickly to the portfolio yield. The portfolio yield, as you can see here, is 8.73%, which is very high. The yield on cost is 8.93%, which is also very high. And the annual income right here is about $600. Now, when it comes to portfolio yield and yield on cost, no one could determine that for you. You and you alone could determine what this is going to be based on the stocks that you choose. So always keep that in mind no matter what anyone tells you. So let's go ahead and we're going to go through the stocks I have in my portfolio, and these stocks do not change. So as you can see here, I have ABR, Aber Realty Trust, ARC, I have Gain, JP. In total, this dividend portfolio contains only 11 stocks. Now, as you can see, a few of them do have 100 shares and the other ones are growing, and I'm going to explain that to you later on in this video. So now let's show you where the real magic happens. We're going to go over to upcoming dividends, and we're going to open that up in order to see exactly what this is doing. Once again, we're going to go to the current portfolio. Now, if we scroll down, we're going to get a visual of the amount of money this portfolio makes every single month. And as you can see here, it's upwards of $50 across the board. Now, this is done intentionally in order for me to generate regular, consistent income month over month. Now, let's go ahead and scroll down, and I will show you how I come up with these $50 consistently every single month. So as you can see here, for the month of September, I got paid $48 plus the other dividends. And in October, I did receive 51 in addition to the other dividends. And this cycle continues month over month. Now, it was intentional. I did just show you that I have 100 stocks of a few of them, and I also have some minimum of the other one. This was intentionally done in order for me to generate monthly income. Now, the biggest holders in this account is going to be ABR, ARC, and also MO. Now, they're all quarterly paying dividend stocks. But the way I have it set up is that I get paid out every single month based on the quarters in which they're paying. I'm not sure if you understand that. So let's just say ARC pays every quarter and it pays in September. The next time it's going to pay is going to be December. The next time is going to be March. Likewise, if I were to go to MO, that pays quarterly as well, they're going to pay October, then January. So you see how the cycle continues. So let's go ahead and get down to the nitty gritty, and I'll explain to you how do you grow a dividend account for free over time. So this is how you do it. Well, first of all, you need to first get money and contribute to your dividend account on a regular basis. So the entirety of the portfolio, which you saw was $7,000, this entire sum of money comes from the money I make from options trading. So like I said, this is free money that's helped me to generate additional funds. So you guys see my other videos about me generating weekly premium selling options. Now with the money I receive from that, I send it directly into my dividend side of the portfolio. Now this is done automatically. Now let me show you how simple it is. So let me explain to you guys how I have it set up, and this is just my personal setup. So whenever the option premium comes to my account, I have it set up on automatic, that every single week, $10 goes to every single one of these accounts. And that is how I built this account from scratch for free. The other strategy I use for dividend is that whenever I do receive these dividend payouts here, I use another dividend strategy, which you guys should know is called the DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Program. So what this does is that whenever I receive a dividend payment, that dividend payment goes back or is reinvested into the stock, and that is used to buy more stock of the same stock in which we received the dividends. So let me break it down for you. Let's say I did receive $48 from ARC. The next day, this $48 is going to be reinvested right back into ARC in order for me to accumulate even more shares of ARC. The result of that is that the next time they're paying dividends, the dividends is going to be higher than previous because now the dividend is going to be calculated on the original shares plus the additional shares. And that is how you grow a dividend account over time. The reason why I love dividend investing is because dividend investing is extremely simple. You could put it on automatic, and as I like to say, this is called the set it and forget it strategy. Now, I absolutely love option trading, but as you know, in order for you to do option trading, it's semi-passive. You actually have to do the work. It literally takes less than 5 minutes, but you actually have to do the work. With dividend investing, one of the pros is that you set it and you forget it, you never have to touch it again. One of the other benefits that I really love about dividend investing is that not everyone is technically inclined. A lot of people do not know how to trade options. Now, if someone were to set up your portfolio in a first instant basis and set it up for dividend investing and everything just keeps going automatically, you never have to worry again. You just keep receiving your dividends. Now, it is my choice to reinvest my dividends. However, that dividend you receive on a regular basis is yours to do whatever you want with. You could withdraw that money, use it for your expenses or whatever you want. Dividend investing will allow you to make extra income, which could help make your life better. So I'm a high proponent of dividend investing, although my favorite form of investing is selling options. Now, thanks for staying with me to the end. The whole point of me making this video is that I just wanted to show you that when you do receive premium from options, there's so many other things that can be done with it in order for you to keep growing your portfolio consistently over time. The most important thing with growing a portfolio and investing is consistency. Consistency is going to keep you in the market, whether the market has an uptrend or a downtrend. Now, if you guys can relate to this kind of video, and you guys love the information here, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the notification bell to get an alert whenever I post a video. Most of the videos on here are going to be about options since there isn't much needs to be done when investing with dividends. And until the next video, always remember, keep pushing your investments. Now, right before you go, there should be two videos popping up right now. Please feel free to click on any one of them, which is going to allow you to continue growing your knowledge and becoming part of the weekly income team. Now, if you guys need any help with investing or trading, I left some links in the description below. Feel free to click any one of them to help support the channel. Until the next video, keep pushing your investments.